Right on. Welcome to this video. I hope you're having a good day. In this video, I'm going to show you different ways you can use ChatGPT. As a programmer, I use ChatGPT. I use it a lot for debugging, things of that nature. But I want to show you in different ways you can use ChatGPT. Once again, when it comes to programming, ChatGPT is a useful tool for developers who already know how to program. Because if you already know how to program, you're never really starting writing your code from scratch. So you could use ChatGPT and be like, "Hey, this is what I'm trying to do. Give me the source code model for this," and then you can go in there and modify it to how you want. I do not recommend that for someone who's just learning how to code, because copying and pasting code is not going to teach you how to code. But you can still use ChatGPT in the sense of I'll show you. I am trying to learn Python. Could you teach me with some fundamental concepts? And then it explains it. Move my big old head, types it all out. It's a very useful tool. And once it's done printing all this information out, we'll go through it real quick. So, it responds, it says, "Of course, I'd be happy to help you get started with Python. Python is a popular and versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Let's cover some fundamental concepts to get you started." So, shows you how to install Python using Python interpreter, variables, data types, integers, floats, strings, booleans, and it gives you examples, which is really cool. Conditional statements, all that. So it gives you the fundamentals if you want to learn it. So I would recommend using ChatGPT for someone who's just learning how to program, in the sense of asking it to teach you how to program, and then taking these source code examples and then using it in your own code editor and typing it out. And typing it out, getting the concept, imprint in your mind that you've memorized the concepts. So that's a good way to learn how to code. Also, I recommend, if you're learning how to program, read books, take courses online, things of that nature. Other cool things you can do with ChatGPT, say and once again, it's not 100% foolproof. Sometimes the code it gives you may not work. That's why you need to know how to program, because then you can go through the source code and be like, "Okay, I see this is wrong. I'm going to edit this, modify this," and you can change it. You don't want to just copy and paste this without modifying it. If you're trying to use it for a real world project or things like that. It even does with HTML. I'll show you. I'm trying to learn HTML and CSS. Could you teach me the fundamentals? And it does the same thing. It's really cool. And then after this quick little explanation, I'll show you other ways that you can use ChatGPT, which is very helpful. So just a quick run through. It tells us certainly HTML is hypertext markup language, and CSS is cascading style sheets, or the building blocks of web development. HTML is used to structure the content of a web page, while CSS is used to style and design that content. Let's cover the fundamentals. An HTML document is made of elements that form the structure of the web page. The basic structure of an HTML document is as follows. Shows you HTML tags. You got the paragraph tag, the H1 tag, the link tag. Keep going down, and shows you how to create a list. What else? Shows you CSS fundamentals, styling, HTML elements using CSS, all those things. So it's really cool in that aspect. Another way you can use ChatGPT. Say you trying to create like a blog post, and say you're having like brain fog. So you can say to ChatGPT, "Hey, I'm trying to create a blog post for uh, a new uh, hair. Let's say a new. Come on, I'm having brain fog. Okay, a new headphone set called headphone D DS2. Could you give me a rough draft blog post for this? I like the headphones. They are useful, great sound quality, but not comfortable for long term use. Once you do that, hit the enter button, and then it writes it out for you. Now, obviously, you want to read through this, you want to go through it, you want to modify it, make it your own. You want to make sure that the information is correct. Like, you don't want to be doing this for things you don't know. Like, don't use this for a product you never used before, and it's typing out something, and you have no idea what it's what this product is. You know what I'm saying? You want to be transparent. So it's like the same with programming. Like, you want to be able to. This is simply a tool to help you to write code more efficiency or write posts more efficiently. Like, you should know the basic understanding of like the things you're trying to do. You know what I mean? So right here it says introducing headphones DS2, a perfect blend of utility and audio excellence. Then it tells you, like, are you on the hunt for the perfect headphones that strike a harmonious balance between utility and exceptional audio quality? And you get the gist. Another cool thing about ChatGPT, which you can do, say, let's say, what's another thing we could try out? Let's see. It can help you write an ebook. You can say, I'm trying to write an ebook on state, on fun things to do in, let's say, North Carolina. Can you help me? And it's pretty cool. Like, it'll give you the layout of how your chapters can be. Like, title, introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, conclusion, acknowledgement. So it helps you with that. A thing too, like, you can ask ChatGPT, you can say, is this information you have given me original? I noticed, like, I think, um, I remember correctly, sometimes there was an issue with that, but I'm not quite sure. But it tells you right here, as an AI language model, I generate responses based on a mixture of licensed data, data created by human trainers, and publicly available data. My responses are generated based on patterns in the data I've been trained on, which include a wide range of sources such as books, websites, and other texts up until my last training cutoff in September 2021. The outline provided for your ebook on fun things to do in North Carolina is an original creation generated by me, but it is based on general knowledge about North Carolina and common topics related to travel guides and tourism. However, the specific information and details within the chapters could require further research and verification to ensure accuracy and up to date information. And I'll tell you too, like, I'll say right here, I'll say, like, when writing an ebook or any informative content, it's essential Do thorough research from reliable sources, verify facts, and include your own experiences and insights to make the content unique and valuable to your readers. Additionally, always give proper credit and attribution to any sources you can or you may use during your research. So, once again, this is a cool tool to help you to be more efficient in your day-to-day tasks. That's how this should be used. It should be used as a tool, as an instrument to help you be more efficient. You should not use this as how can I put it? You shouldn't use this like, say it's, for example, say you're a programmer, you don't know anything about Ruby Rails, but you're like, write me a program in Ruby Rails and have it do this. And it'll give you the code, but once again, if you don't know Ruby Rails for yourself, how can you know that the code is written the best way possible, as efficiently as possible? So like, you want to use this for things like things you already know, but to help you, give you that extra boost. And also you can use it like to learn. You know what I'm saying? I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you how I use it. You may use it differently. That's your business. But thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for your time.